Hi friends, this is Supal Rajwade and you are watching me on my YouTube channel. Guys, you know that I'm a government teacher and I want to become a fluent speaker in English language. Because of this, I I am used to study in study in practicing in English daily. Guys, I have commitment to speak English. I have committed to speak speaking English within 6 months because I face challenges, many challenges in SCERT Raipur training. Because of this, I have I am dedicated to myself and I want to become fluent speaker because without fluency neither I nor you nor anyone can get success in their life. So guys, I will tell you, if you want to get success in your life, then you have to do a lot of hard work. Without hard work, you can't get success in your life. Dedication, consistency, and hard work is the best key of any field success. Success demands many things like hard work, dedication, consistency. There are many pupils I can see around me. They have struggled a lot of struggle to get success in their life, but they can't fluent, but they can't speak English fluently because consistency is the key of success. Without consistency, neither I nor you can get success, and you have to do a lot of hard work, then you can achieve your goal. In my school, I want to change my school's environment, but I'm not I'm not do it so, but I'm trying my best. If you want to become a fluent speaker, then you have to do a lot of hard work. Without it, we can't do anything. Guys, I will tell you my childhood story. In my childhood, I was not good in studies. I used to play with dirty children. My parents had no restrictions on me at home because my mother and father both were illiterate. They can't read or write a single words in their life. So my father had no restrictions on me at home. I I want to do whenever I wanted. I did whenever I wanted to. And it was the year 1994. My father climbed the tamarind tree to pluck tamarind in the backyard of my house in the afternoon. And there was a mango tree next to the tree. Mangoes were also spread in it. He tried to pluck mangoes along with tamarind. Due to this effort, he lost his balance and fell on the ground, due to which he went into coma and he was admitted to the district hospital Ambikapur for treatment. But seeing his condition, the doctor has referred him to Bhilai. And I will tell you one more thing. Except my father, there was no one. There was no one else who could do farming, and forcefully I have to do. I have to do, and forcefully I I had to do farming work. I used to study in school and at the same time plow fields for half an hour. I remember that I was so poor from class 1st to 12th. I used to survive in just pant, short and shorts. I also remember that whenever I got rupees 10 from my parents, I used to be very happy. And I will tell you guys, I am so weak in reading books or any subjects that I never ever went to school 6 consecutive days in a week from class 1st to 12th. So guys, this was my childhood story, and at last I would suggest to all of you that, and I will tell you uh, true truth of government school. In government school, children are only taught to read and write, but they are not taught to speak English. I believe that children should be taught speak English. Children should be taught reading and writing, but they are not taught to speak English. So guys, this is my childhood story. I hope all of you like it. If you like it, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. And thank you very much to listening to me. Have a good day till then. Take care. Bye.